Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Today I will teach you how to make a very easy flower. I'm using 3 mm needle. So let's start. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the last chain make a slip stitch. So once again make 1, 2, 3 and make 1 double crochet in the circle. Again double crochet into the circle. Again 1 double crochet into the circle. So I have 3 double crochet. Now chain 3 again, 1, 2 and 3 and make a slip stitch into the circle right there. This is my first petal. Now again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Make again double crochet in the circle, 1, 2 and 3. Now again make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. So make a slip stitch in So I have 3 petals. Now chain 3, make 3 double crochet, chain 3 and make a slip stitch in circle. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 petals. Now my last petal is 5th one. Chain 3 and make 3 double crochet, into the circle. Now again chain 3 and make a slip stitch. Now cut the yarn and make a slip stitch. Very easy and good for beginners. Now pull the thread to make it tight. Now cut the extra threads. Now this is my cute little flower. You can put it on shoes, on sandals or on cap, whatever you want to. So I hope you will like my little flower. So please stay tuned and we will meet in next video inshallah. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.